Welcome back to Kareem in My English, everyone. Today, we're looking at the prepositions of location. The prepositions in, on, at are pretty tricky. Even advanced learners make mistakes with them. Today, we're looking at the rules for each of these prepositions, some of their exceptions. We're also going to check your knowledge with a few practice exercises at the end. We're going to begin with at because, in my opinion, it's the one I see students make the most mistakes with. When we think about at, think about specific locations. At school, at work, at the store, at home. There are also a few more places where we use at. And one of those examples is at the table. If you're at school, you'd be at the desk. If you're at a store, you'd be at the counter. Here we can use at for my location again. I am standing at my car. If you want to be even more specific, you can say next to. Our next preposition is in. The preposition in is used with cities, towns, countries, etc. I'm in New York. I'm in the United States. I'm in a small town. The second thing is enclosed spaces. An example of an enclosed space is a room. It is surrounded on all sides. The only way out or in is a door. A car is a vehicle. It's a method of transportation. And as a general rule, we use on when it comes to transportation. However, because a car is so small, you can't stand, you can't walk around in it, we use in. And just in case you're wondering, the same rule applies for trucks as well. So now that we've seen at and in, let's look at the preposition on. The main function of on is to talk about the surface of something. Let's look back at the clip of me at the table. Where was my phone? It was on the table. On is also used for transportation. This could be on the bus, on a plane, on a train, on a boat. As you know, we don't say I'm on the car because that would look like this. When someone says they're on the car, it means they're on top of it. Any type of transportation where it's typically large enough for a person to walk, use on. We also use on with a different type of transportation. Another type of transportation with on is bike. I am on a bicycle, I'm on a motorcycle, on a skateboard, on a scooter. So, on is what we use for transportation that makes us tired. Now that we know when to use in, on, at when we talk about location, I want you to complete this practice activity. Your task is to complete the sentences using the correct preposition. Pause the video, take a few minutes to complete the activity, unpause, and check your answers. Do you like money? Of course you do. Do you know how to talk about money? Maybe. But do you know phrasal verbs you can use related to money? Maybe yes, maybe no. If you want to learn about 5 useful and awesome phrasal verbs related to money, you should check out my video right there. And if you want more English content, you should definitely follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, where I upload videos every day. And if you want to show me some love, hit that like button. And if you want to continue improving your English, hit that subscribe button because we upload videos every Friday. So keep working hard and I'll see you in the next one.